I'm a single mother. Oh. Gemly, oh. I live in Gemly. Oh. You people should help me before I will come and kill myself. Ever since I've been suffering taking care of my children alone. I suffer taking care of my children alone. There is no man, no woman, just only me every day. My baby don't grow up now, Prince. The senior one, I have 4 baby in Gemly. The overall senior one, I didn't know say they enter their high. If they enter the government high. One girl from Ugrand in Gemly, he always come to my house. He go say he want to assist me for the children. He want to help me to go and teach the children how to read and write. So he go they carry the senior one, they go in house every day. So day before yesterday, 3 days ago, he called me on phone. Then he tell me say he get where he go carry me go. Then the baby go need to start school. So I tell him that I don't need your help, madam. Sometimes he go come, he go tell me say he want help me take care of my children. My children is too much and I don't have husband. My husband is not in this country. And nobody to help me. There is nobody to care for me. Say he want carry my pikin go for another house. Then I will feel go to visit. I will say no, I don't want to lose any of my child. I'll be suffering alone, taking care of my children alone. I will take good care of them. I'm just telling the word for you to help me before I die silent. You have to help me. If you are a mother that carry baby for 9 months, you will feel the pain that I feel. And many of my friends, you have been seeing me with this Facebook. I know they use my children, they play. Always they post their picture. I'm always proud of them. I'm their only mother they have. They know. So I never even beat any of my child one day. So the woman come now. He called me the day before yesterday and they tell me say he want carry me and my children go someplace. Then he go put with the senior one for school. Then after there, I tell you say no, I don't go with you for anywhere. I don't want your help, thank you. Because I don't suspect the woman say he wants my pikin by all means. So then I rang up the call. Then later I tell them say please, it be like say I want transfer, I want come up for the city when I did. The way the woman they disturb me is too much. Ever since how many years I came here, you don't they worry me. So I say I want transfer. Then I end up this call. Then he say okay, no problem. If I don't want a help, he go rest, no problem. That was the day before yesterday. Then I call my lawyer. Then I tell my lawyer, say, please, he should help me to look for another apartment because I have documents already. My children have documents already. So I received the letter that I can go and look for a house because I have 2 rooms for where they live now. And I don't have any man when they support me. The father of my baby, they deported him to Italy. So nobody care for me. Just only me one the kids alone. And the 2 boys, I bring them from Morocco. And I born the 2 girls in Europe here. So the woman just say, okay, since I don't need the help, that was the day before yesterday. Then I rest. But later in the morning, then he say one man come. That one they can't take the pikin, go he go teach her for us. Then he drive and come back again. Then he drive on Monday, Tuesday. Now he can't carry her in the morning. My boy was doing fine. I bath her, I even brush her that day. As he big rich, I brush her, I bath her before he go. He was very okay, do everything, he's very okay. Later, the girl called me on phone. He said my son can play for us. Say me beat her. I said, what are you saying? What kind of talk is that? Say I beat her. Why would I beat my son? From there, other time say you want carry the son go hospital. They want go look. I see some mark for his body. I said, do you have the proof? Then I just called my son because I buy phone for her. The phone day with her, but there not be no say phone day with her. Then I call my son. Everything is written. I'm telling you, some people will help me that will feel the pain that I'm feeling. So from there, now I call my son. As I call my son, now I ask my son, say, Prince, what happened? What did you tell this lady that is always come? He say he want to help her. Prince say I did not say anything. Prince say the woman they forced me to give me some medication. I said, really? If they give you some medication, he said yes. He said that they force her and put for inside motor. That they tell her, say, your mother is poor, is from Africa, he cannot take care of you. He have no husband, nothing. He cannot take care of you. He's poor. We will buy food for you. We will give you internet. We will give you phone. He said that they deceive her with many, many things for you. Now I said, don't collect to. Tell they say you want to go and meet your mommy. Now my son say, okay, mommy, I tell they already say I want to come home. Then they drive me, they come. I say, okay. Small time again, I call again. You know they reach house. He said that they drive me. He said, no, they not great drive me reach house. So they don't stop me for some place. So and there's some woman don't come out. They carry me go for some place. I said, tell they say you want to go home. He said, I did not tell they say my mother beat me. Or I not tell they nothing. Oh. He said, I want to go and meet my mother. They hear my son, they cry. Then they force my son. They do and waiting. They do. Small time they collect the phone from her. All till now, I not see my son again. All till now, I not see my son again. Then I go for the Ugra. Then I ask them, say, what happen? Why not collect my son from me? He said, my son, they complain, say me, they beat him. I said, pikin, when you don't grow rich like this, when it is small, small, when I carry the pass through water, I don't throw away anyone. I don't beat anyone. Upon no, he don't big like this, a big boy. He can't enter on the high. I don't suffer, take care of the finish now. When I can't enter the high, I just cry because I can do something crazy because these children is all I have. I've been suffering for all my life. And they have been disturbing me for so many years. If not be since when I get there, if I don't collect all the children from my house, this is the way they are in Chamberlain. This guy say he want to help me, not good help. I don't feel better and I make I cry. Some people they tell me say I don't tell anybody. I don't do video, but I don't feel better. I want to tell the world, let them not come keep me in silent. Because sometimes I come home like this. When I open my fridge and they feel say they don't come poison my food. Then I know they eat the food, I go throw away. Many times somebody they come open my door when I know they has. But I go throw away the food. Different things be happening to me. Even when I want to give birth to this baby, the city when I dey, until when I want born this baby, the doctor not gree tell me if na girl, if na man, if na woman. If I come up for there, this girl from Ugra, so this girl when he don't steal my pikin, so he with the doctor go they talk. My spirit tell me say these people have plan for me. Then I have to travel, go another city, very far from me. I go give birth for there. When I come, before I come, all the money when I take give birth, I have the same and go pay. I go do everything because I go another city. My spirit tell me say they be want kill me that time because of the children. Then ever since I dey battle, nobody did there for me. Oh, I just cry hard, make the world share my video. The world should fight for me in case anything happen to me. Oh, in case they can't kill me inside. Oh. All till now, I never see my child. I just go tell lawyer. The lawyer they tell me now say I have to send some paper for her before he go make appeal. Then we go to court. So we have to start. All till now, I don't hear my children's voice. I don't hear my baby voice. Now I just come via internet because I don't have internet for my house. Look at my children. Look at the way they lie down. Benny, Benjamin. You can talk to my friend. This is my son. This is my daughter. Look at the way they lie down. They miss their brother. They are crying. Their brother is not here. The senior one for inside, then they take so. I don't train her. He don't big. He don't come be a man. He don't reach the time to help me. He don't reach the time to give me water drink. Then the girl from Ugra, the criminal, he take it from me. They never, since 3 days now, I've not seen my, yesterday he sleep there, the day before yesterday he sleep there, the same thing. So that is why I come outside, just look for where I go get internet, because internet is not, my phone internet is not strong. That is why I still cry, make my friends know what they pass through. Because just 3 days, I mean 4 days, we was very happy. I just post their picture, then I take their picture, then I post the picture. You can go to my one and you will see my 4 baby, but now one is missing. We have been looking for one and one girl steal it and I did not find it. He said my child said he did not tell her, say I beat him. He said now the girl they pamper and say he go take good care of her. Every time when he carry her go his house, when my child call, they always tell me, he go say the girl they entice her with many things, he go buy different food for her. I'll say, don't eat again. He go say, mommy, I don't eat, I always bring it home. Now me, you see. Anytime when he buy something for her, my child, they bring her home. If una get anything, I will not say help me, mama help me. I don't suffer for my life. I did 3 months when my mother dropped me. I struggle for my life before I come be wetin I come be now. I follow Morocco, I follow desert. There we are there. So I carry these two of my son for hand. Pass river, come Europe. Until now, I dey stress for myself. I don't get man, I don't get woman wey dey help me. Just only me one. This is all I have. You people should help me, if not I will kill myself, because I cannot let any of my child that I'll be suffering for many years. One person will come the corner. He don't reach the time to give me water. He don't grow up. He don't big. He don't call me a man. Not be 11 years again. The time when he dey baby, when he dey 1 year, when I come here, 2 years, they don't take it from me. Now when he don't big, he don't call me a son. He said the child tell us I beat her. The child, and I called the child for phone. He said he don't tell her like that. So you people should help me, or in any way, you people should help me, or I will put my number there. You people can call me in any way, and you people should do anything. If you don't say you did Germany, yeah, I will put my number there. You call me, you try to show me love. This is the time for you to show me love, because Africa, we are dying in Europe. We are just like a slave. I don't find anybody trouble. Since I did Europe, nobody know me. Nobody they see me. I know they make trouble. I know they find. I know be woman when they waka waka. I know they follow man to man. I made my business. I did just the struggle. They take care of my children. Because of that, because of my children, I cannot even allow man to come my house. I cannot even be with a man. I just did my own. I know they waka waka. I don't know. They don't see all those ones see for my body now. Say now like this, they do. They say I beat. He say I beat my child. Tell us say I beat her, and I lie. My child say he never talk like that. Because my child say that they collect the phone from her. I don't feel even reach my child again. Now, I'm doing this video for you people to know, so that they should not come and poison my food. As I know they house before I reach us, I don't know what will happen next. In case if you not hear anything, I die or anything happen to me, you people have to fight for me. That is why I'm doing this video now. Thank you. As you help me, thank you, and I will drop my number there. Many of you know me in Africa. You people should share this video. It go reach some my family for Africa. Make them know what I they pass through, and they should fight for me.